you're still using ChatGPT to write every AI video prompt, you're making your work harder than it needs to be. I just found a free tool that generates professional JSON prompts for Google Flow, VO, Sora, Kling, and more in seconds. And honestly, some of the prompts are even better than what most people get from ChatGPT. Let me show you how you can take it.
Head over to your browser and type Video Prompt Studio, and it brings you to this interface. To use this website, you need to sign up with your email address. After the sign up process, you'll see something like this. Write video prompts that actually work. This website also gives you both a normal prompt and a JSON prompt. If you don't know what a JSON prompt is all about, by the end of this tutorial, you will find out. First of all, you select if you want a normal prompt or a JSON prompt. Below here, you see the cinematic, product, character, b-roll, motion graphic, and stylized. All this determines how your prompt comes out. Above here is where you select the exact model that you want to use for your generation. If you click on it, you see VO3, Sora, Kling, Hello, Warn, and Seedance model. Then right inside this box is where you paste your idea. Of course, you need to have an idea so that this AI tool will help you to generate a detailed prompt for your idea. Below it, I selected cinematic. Of course, what I want to generate now is a normal prompt. You can see normal is selected here. Then hit on send. It literally takes seconds to get your prompt. Now here is a normal detailed prompt I got from this platform. Now I'm going to use this prompt to create a video. So I simply click on the copy button. I'll be using Kling AI for the video generation. This is another free platform that you can use to create your videos. So I head over to Kling. This is what the interface looks like after you've signed in. Click on new project and it brings you here. Select this area and paste your prompt. Also select here, select video. Below ingredient is the aspect ratio 16:9. Select it if you want to create a long form YouTube video. Then go down and select 1x. Then the video model, which is VO 3.1 fast. This website gives you free credit, and for this generation it will cost us 20 credits. Next, hit on send. So with the detailed prompt, Google Flow generated this video for me. Touch on this video, download video appears, then click on download video to download this particular video. Let's go back to Video Prompt Studio to generate a prompt, a JSON prompt. Select JSON, paste your idea, and select cinematic. Hit on send. And the JSON prompt is ready. Take a look at the structure of this prompt. It has subject, it has the action, the scene, the setting, the time of the day, the atmosphere, shot, type, angle, camera movement, lighting, and the rest of them. This is what a JSON prompt looks like, and is structured in a way that AI understands perfectly what the prompt is all about. Now let's try this prompt and see how it comes out in our video editing app. Let's copy the prompt, then head over to Flow again. Paste the JSON prompt. Click here to select the video, the aspect ratio, and the model. Hit on send. And the video is generating. And the video is ready. This is what it looks like. Amazing. So would you be trying the Video Prompt Studio? Let me know in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, give this video a like and subscribe for more.